Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add graphs to your videos in CapCut PC. So it basically just creates a smoother motion in between keyframes. Add in a keyframe here, and for instance, I want to zoom in. Let me just hide this first. I'm just going to zoom it right about here. Or maybe it's zoomed in and you want to zoom out. So I'm just going to zoom in here. And then like right about here, I'm just going to adjust the position and scale so it zooms out. Right click, show variable speed animation. I'm just going to zoom in. Select the second keyframe and select the preset curves. And here's where you can choose between the graphs. I'm just going to use this one. It's really up to you which one you want to choose. I'm just going to choose this one. And then for this one, I'll do the same. Second curve. And just choose which one you want to use. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.